Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be learning about bull sharks. So we're going to read a book titled Bull Sharks, and the author is Grace Hanson. Bull sharks. Bull sharks live in oceans. They prefer shallow, warm water. They are often found in fresh water. So an example of fresh water would be like a lake or a river, or as oceans are the salt water. Bull sharks have short, round noses. They have small eyes. Bull sharks have thick bodies. They can grow to be 11 feet long. Bull sharks are mostly gray. They have white bellies, and some have black-tipped fins. Bull sharks move slowly along the ocean floor, but they can be quick. This makes them good hunters. Food and hunting. Bull sharks hunt during the day and night. They usually hunt alone. They sometimes hunt in groups. Bull sharks mostly eat fish and small sharks. They also eat crabs, shrimp, and other animals. Baby bull sharks. Baby sharks are called pups. Bull sharks give birth to around 10 pups. That's a lot of babies at one time. That mama must be busy. Pups are usually born near coasts. Shallow water keeps them safe from big predators. Pups move to deeper water once they have grown. Pretty cool book. So here's some more facts about sharks. There are 43 types of sharks that can live in both freshwater and saltwater. Bull sharks are one of them. Females are typically larger and live longer than males. Males live around 13 years, and females can live to be about 17 years old. Well, I learned some really cool stuff about bull sharks. Can't wait to see your little video blogs. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great day.